Welcome to this masterclass on creating a sales channel from scratch. Part 3, Network with potential customers, partners, and investors. Networking with potential customers, partners, and investors is a critical aspect of business growth and success. Building strong relationships through networking can lead to valuable opportunities, collaborations, and support for your business. Here's how to effectively network with these key stakeholders. 1. Attend industry events and conferences. Participate in relevant industry events, conferences, and trade shows where you can meet potential customers, partners, and investors. These events provide a platform for networking and learning about the latest trends in your industry. 2. Join professional associations and groups. Become a member of industry-specific associations and networking groups. These groups often host networking events and offer opportunities to connect with like-minded professionals. 3. Utilize social media. Leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to connect with potential customers, partners, and investors. Engage in conversations. Share valuable content, and participate in industry discussions. 4. Attend meetups and networking events. Attend local meetups and networking events in your area. These events allow you to meet people face-to-face and build meaningful relationships. 5. Utilize your existing network. Leverage your existing contacts and ask for introductions to potential customers, partners, and investors. Personal recommendations can be highly effective in building trust. 6. Be authentic and genuine. Approach networking with an authentic and genuine attitude. Show a genuine interest in others and be open to forming meaningful connections. 7. Clearly communicate your value proposition. Be prepared to communicate your value proposition clearly and concisely. Explain what sets your product or service apart and how it addresses the needs of your target audience. 8. Listen and learn. Listen actively to others and understand their needs and interests. Networking is not just about selling yourself. It's about building mutually beneficial relationships. 9. Follow up promptly. After networking events or meetings, follow up with the people you've connected with. Send personalized follow-up emails or messages to continue the conversation. 10. Be patient and persistent. Networking takes time, and not every connection will lead to immediate results. Be patient and persistent in nurturing relationships over time. 11. Offer value first. Provide value to others without expecting anything in return. Offer assistance, share insights, and be helpful to establish yourself as a valuable connection. 12. Stay updated and engaged. Stay engaged with your network by regularly sharing updates, industry news, and relevant content. Maintaining an active presence keeps you on the radar of potential customers, partners, and investors. Remember that networking is about building authentic and lasting relationships. Focus on creating meaningful connections, adding value, and being genuinely interested in others. Over time, these relationships can lead to business opportunities and support that can contribute to the growth and success of your venture. Consider sponsoring events to increase brand visibility. Sponsoring events is an effective marketing strategy to increase brand visibility, create positive associations, and reach a targeted audience. Event sponsorship allows your brand to be prominently featured in front of attendees, showcasing your products, services, and values. Here's how to consider and execute event sponsorships effectively. 1. Identify relevant events. Choose events that align with your target audience, industry, and brand values. Consider events that attract a significant number of attendees and match your marketing goals. 2. Understand sponsorship opportunities. Review the various sponsorship packages offered by the event organizers. Assess the visibility, benefits, and costs associated with each sponsorship level. 3. Set clear objectives. Define specific objectives for the sponsorship, such as increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or strengthening brand reputation. Ensure your objectives align with your overall marketing strategy. 4. Negotiate sponsorship benefits. Negotiate with the event organizers to customize the sponsorship package to suit your needs. Request specific benefits that align with your objectives, such as speaking opportunities, logo placement, or exclusive exhibition space. 5. Create engaging brand experiences. Design an engaging and interactive experience for event attendees at your sponsored space. Set up eye-catching displays, product demos, or activities to attract visitors. 6. Leverage digital promotion. Utilize digital marketing channels to promote your event sponsorship. announce your participation on social media, email newsletters, and your website to build anticipation. 7. Maximize on-site branding. Utilize on-site branding opportunities to display your logo, company banners, and signage prominently. Ensure your brand visuals are consistent and aligned with your overall branding. 8. Engage attendees personally. Train your staff to engage attendees personally and represent your brand professionally. Create a positive and memorable experience for visitors at your sponsored area. 9. Capture leads and data. Set up lead capture mechanisms to collect attendee information for follow-up. Use technology like QR codes or lead capture forms to gather data efficiently. 10. Measure results and ROI. Track the performance of the sponsorship by measuring key metrics such as brand impressions, leads generated, website traffic, or conversions. Calculate the return on investment, ROI, to assess the effectiveness of the sponsorship. 11. Follow up with attendees. Follow up with leads and contacts obtained during the event. Send personalized follow-up messages and offers to nurture these potential customers. 12. Evaluate and improve. Evaluate the success of the event sponsorship and gather feedback from your team and attendees. Use the insights to refine your event sponsorship strategy for future opportunities. Event sponsorships can significantly elevate your brand's visibility and credibility. By choosing the right events, setting clear objectives, and executing engaging brand experiences, you can make the most of event sponsorships to achieve your marketing goals and grow your business. Offer exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty. Offering exceptional customer service is one of the most effective ways to build trust, foster customer loyalty, and create a positive reputation for your brand. When customers have a positive experience with your customer service, they are more likely to become repeat customers and recommend your business to others. Here are key strategies to provide exceptional customer service. 1. Be responsive. Respond to customer inquiries, feedback, and complaints promptly. Aim to provide timely responses, even if it's just to acknowledge receipt of their message. 2. Train and empower your support team. Invest in training your customer support team to be knowledgeable, empathetic, and proactive. Empower them to make decisions that benefit customers and resolve issues quickly. 3. Practice active listening. Practice active listening when interacting with customers. Pay attention to their concerns, understand their needs, and show empathy. 4. Personalize interactions. Address customers by their names and personalize your communication. Use customer data to tailor your responses and offer personalized recommendations. 5. Resolve issues effectively. Focus on resolving customer issues in a fair and efficient manner. Go above and beyond to find satisfactory solutions for your customers. 6. Offer multi-channel support. Provide customer support through various channels, including phone, email, live chat, and social media. Allow customers to choose the channel that is most convenient for them. 7. Set clear expectations. Be transparent about your products, services, and policies. Set clear expectations to avoid misunderstandings and disappointments. 8. Anticipate customer needs. Anticipate common customer needs and address them proactively. Offer helpful resources, FAQs, or tutorials to guide customers. 9. Request feedback and act on it. Encourage customers to provide feedback on their experience with your customer service. Use the feedback to identify areas for improvement and make necessary changes. 10. Surprise and delight customers. Surprise your customers with unexpected gestures of appreciation. Offer special discounts, freebies, or personalized thank you notes. 11. Monitor customer satisfaction. Monitor customer satisfaction metrics, such as Net Promoter Score, NPS, or customer satisfaction surveys. Use the insights to gauge customer sentiment and identify areas for improvement. 12. Continuously improve. Continuously improve your customer service processes based on feedback and data. Strive for ongoing excellence in your customer service efforts. Providing exceptional customer service is a powerful way to differentiate your brand and build strong, long-lasting relationships with your customers. Happy and satisfied customers are more likely to become loyal advocates for your brand, driving repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Address customer inquiries and issues promptly and professionally. Addressing customer inquiries and issues promptly and professionally is crucial for providing excellent customer service and maintaining a positive brand reputation. Customers appreciate quick and effective resolutions to their concerns, which can lead to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Here are key steps to address customer inquiries and issues effectively. 1. Respond promptly. Aim to respond to customer inquiries and issues as quickly as possible. Acknowledge receipt of their message to show that you are actively working on their concern. 2. Use a friendly tone. Communicate in a friendly and professional tone. Avoid using jargon or technical language that might confuse customers. 3. Show empathy. Demonstrate empathy and understanding towards the customer's situation. Let them know that their concerns are heard and taken seriously. 4. Gather relevant information. Ask relevant questions to gather all the necessary information about the customer's inquiry or issue. Having a complete understanding will help you provide a more accurate response. 5. Provide clear and comprehensive answers. Offer clear and comprehensive answers to the customer's questions or concerns. Provide step-by-step instructions if necessary to guide them through the process. 6. Be transparent. Be transparent about any limitations, policies, or procedures that may affect the resolution. If you can't immediately resolve the issue, inform the customer and provide an estimated timeframe for resolution. 7. Offer solutions and options. Propose possible solutions to the customer's problem or offer alternative options if applicable. Empower the customer to choose the solution that best suits their needs. 8. Take ownership. Take ownership of the customer's issue and ensure that it is properly escalated if needed. Avoid passing the customer around between departments. 9. Follow up. After providing a solution, follow up with the customer to ensure that they are satisfied with the resolution. Address any further concerns they may have. 10. Apologize when necessary. If your company made a mistake or there was a misunderstanding, apologize sincerely. A genuine apology can go a long way in restoring customer confidence. 11. Maintain customer privacy. Respect customer privacy and confidentiality when discussing their inquiries or issues. Avoid sharing sensitive information with unauthorized parties. 12. Learn from feedback. Continuously learn from customer feedback and use it to improve your customer service processes. Identify recurring issues to address root causes and prevent future problems. By addressing customer inquiries and issues promptly and professionally, you show your commitment to customer satisfaction and build trust with your customers. Happy and satisfied customers are more likely to become loyal advocates for your brand, leading to increased customer retention and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Encourage and respond to customer feedback to improve your offerings. Encouraging and responding to customer feedback is an essential practice for continuous improvement and ensuring that your offerings meet the needs and expectations of your customers. Listening to your customers' opinions, suggestions, and concerns can provide valuable insights that can guide product enhancements, service improvements, and overall business growth. Here's how to effectively encourage and respond to customer feedback. 1. Create feedback channels. Provide various channels for customers to submit feedback, such as online surveys, feedback forms on your website, email, social media, or direct contact with customer support. 2. Request feedback proactively. Proactively seek customer feedback by sending follow-up emails after purchases or interactions, asking for reviews, or running customer feedback campaigns. 3. Be responsive and timely. Respond to customer feedback promptly and acknowledge their input. Show that you value their feedback and are committed to addressing their concerns. 4. Listen actively. Practice active listening when reviewing customer feedback. Pay attention to recurring themes or patterns in feedback to identify common issues or areas for improvement. 5. Thank customers for feedback. Thank customers for taking the time to provide feedback, regardless of whether it's positive or negative. Express gratitude for their contribution to helping you improve your offerings. 6. Address negative feedback professionally. Respond professionally and empathetically to negative feedback. Apologize for any negative experiences and offer solutions or actions to resolve the issue. 7. Implement feedback-driven improvements. Use customer feedback to drive improvements in your products, services, or customer experience. Make changes based on feedback to show customers that their opinions matter. 8. Communicate changes and updates. If you make improvements based on customer feedback, communicate these changes to your customers. Let them know that you value their input and have taken action to address their concerns. 9. Engage in dialogue. Engage in dialogue with customers who provide feedback. ask follow-up questions or seek clarification to gain a deeper understanding of their needs. 10. Monitor online reviews and social media. Keep an eye on online reviews and social media mentions related to your brand. Respond to both positive and negative reviews, addressing any concerns or expressing appreciation for positive feedback. 11. Use feedback to innovate. Use customer feedback not only to fix problems but also to inspire innovation and new ideas. Identify opportunities for product or service enhancements based on customer suggestions. 12. Close the feedback loop. Inform customers about the actions taken in response to their feedback. Let them know how their feedback has influenced improvements. By actively encouraging and responding to customer feedback, you demonstrate that you care about your customers' opinions and are committed to delivering excellent products and services. Listening to your customers and using their insights to make meaningful changes can lead to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and a stronger reputation for your brand.